and an AI image. Do you want to make longer videos with AI? Just keep watching.
So you're welcome back. This is the part 2 of the previous video I did. Yes, this is the continuation of the video I did last time, showing you how you can make your AI images talk so that you can generate content for your social media marketing, because we know AI has come to stay. So the earlier you get the hold of it and start using it for your marketing, then the better for you. So I saw that so many people were happy with that video. So many of my students were making their own avatars, making them talk and sending them to me, and I was happy that at least you got what I was trying to do. So if you watched that video and you've done your own avatar, please send it to me on WhatsApp. I want to celebrate you. Yes, it is not a small thing, it is an achievement. So if you know you've done your video, you are happy, just send it to me on WhatsApp on 234-8029-046605. I will put my number on the screen also. I want to celebrate you. Let me see. Let's celebrate hard work. Yes. So if you know you did the video following the steps I outlined in the last video, and you got your avatar talking, you got your AI image talking, please send them to me on WhatsApp. I want to see them, Jerry. Let me celebrate you. Okay, so today we'll be continuing what we learned last time. I'll be doing a continuation of what I taught you last time. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can make those videos longer. Because as we know, we can only make, you can see from the screenshot, 60 seconds. That is what you can make. 6 seconds, 6 seconds. But how can you make these videos longer? At least you need at least a 1-minute video to run your ad on Facebook. How do you do that? So I'll be showing you how to do that. So this is what you do first. Generate all your prompts for your 1-minute ads. The content you want to use for your 1-minute ad, for your 1-minute post, generate it. Once you have the prompt already, then go to Meta AI and get the images that will suit that content, like you saw me do now. Look, this on the screen, you can see different images. You can see different prompts. I made them singularly and I took them to Grok AI and I got them talking. This is one. No, this one is my image. This one is my image. I'll come here. So this is one of it.
I mean, an AI image.
This is one of it.
Do you want to make?
This is another. All of them.
Learn all these and more.
This is an ad I am currently running. So what I did was I created the prompt for all of them.
Learn all this today.
An ad I am running to Ghana. I'm running an ad to Ghana. So this is the prompt I did for all of
15.
them. So you just do them small. If you know you want a 1-minute video, then you know 6 times 10 is 60, and 60 seconds is 1 minute. So you have to generate 10 of these videos, small. Those prompts, scene 1, you want scene 1 to be like this.
You can make all
this
these
is my scene
and
1,
more
right?
from your home.
I will go back. What do I want them to say in scene 2? I want them to be happy. Just generate all my scenes. This one now, see? Another scene.
Send your proof of payment.
This is another scene. So you will just do those scenes. Look at another scene. If you see my ad on
Facebook, you can learn how to produce 15 hot-selling products for just 1,000 naira.
So once you have generated all these scenes and you have made your images and then you've taken them to Grok and made them talk, what do you now do? You will now take them to either InShot or CapCut. I know most of you already know how to use InShot or CapCut. If you don't know how to do it, okay, I will show you how to do that. Let's go there. So what do? I'll just go back to InShot. I use more of InShot. I love using InShot. I love InShot very well. So you just go to I have both CapCut and InShot though. So this is CapCut here. This is CapCut. So if you know how to use it, then use it. When you get to CapCut, you will now bring all those images together and make them into one. But me, I prefer using InShot. I don't know why I love InShot. I'm so used to using InShot. So I love InShot. So I will just come to InShot. This is my InShot. I will click on this place and I will bring all my videos together. I'll go to InShot. This is InShot. I'll click on video When you click on it, you want to do new project, you click on this place. Then all those 6 seconds clip that you have made, you will now pick all of them. Pick them, pick them, pick them, pick them, pick them, pick them, pick all of them. Once you pick them, you do this. It will just be one file. You just do this. It's something before we come back here. Do you know that you can also make your own image talk? If it is your own image, you can also make it talk. I'll show you what I did here. This is a picture I took yesterday. This particular picture. I took this picture yesterday. I want to make this is my own picture. I want to make it talk. So I took this picture. I took it to Grok AI. And I made it talk. So let me show you. This is it. So this is my image. This is my image. I took these pictures yesterday. So I brought it to this place. You can give it any prompt, and I made it to talk. It's my own image.
Compliment of the season. God bless you greatly.
Can you see? It's my image. Can you see? So you can also make your own image talk.
Check out my outfit. How do I look?
Can you see?
Check out my outfit. How do I look?
Can you see what is happening? So even if it is your own image, you want to make talk.
How do I look?
You can also do that. Maybe you want to run an ad, make your own image, type what you want to say, and put it as a prompt. It will do this for you. So let's go back to our lesson. If you know what you want is just a 6 seconds video, then this is fine. But if you think you want longer video, like you want a 12 seconds, a 30 seconds video, then if it is 30 seconds, you know that 6 times 5 is 30. So you can do small, like I've done different. I'm going to combine all of them, and I'll use them as ad. So if you want to do small, you can do 5, which is 30 seconds. You can now go to an app like InShot or CapCut. So go to InShot. If you don't have InShot, that is if you want more than a 6 seconds video. But if you're fine with a 6 seconds video, then leave it. But if not, look at my own InShot. I'll just come here. I'll click on InShot. Once I come to InShot, I'll click on video. When I click on video, I'll come here, see the plus sign, new. I'll click on my plus sign. I'll now come here. I'll now pick all those videos I want to combine together, the way I want them to be. So I'll pick this, 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 and I'll pick this. And I'll click on this plus sign, this good sign, this mark sign. I'll click this mark. Once I click it, it will come here. See, it's giving us a 48 seconds video already. So with this, you can just start playing.
Hi, my name is Ogeta Madukoma. Welcome to our practical soap making class. I learned how to make bar soap from Glomajos just last month, and I have started my business. See how we are excited because we are making money. Thank you, Glomajos. To start learning, click the link below now or send a WhatsApp message to 234-829-46605. Join Glomajos today and start learning immediately. Click the link now. Thank you, Glomajos, for teaching me the secrets of this business. With Glomajos, you pay once and you have lifetime access. This training is online. You can learn from anywhere in the world.
So have you seen what I just did? I've been able to combine all the videos. So in total, I have a 48 seconds video. If I wanted to get to 1 minute, I'll just do 2 more and I'll get to 1 minute video. I'll combine them with InShot. InShot, once you edit it, if there's anything you want to cut, I know you must know how to edit. I'll remove this watermark by clicking here. I'm still going to do it very well. I'll edit it, put them in a very good mode. Then I'll click on export. Once you click on export, it will join all the videos together for you and it will download them. Once it's done exporting, it will download them in your gallery, so you have them as on video. So I've taught you how to create images, AI images, and also how to make those images talk, and how you can combine the images and use them for your business advert. So hope you got value from this training. If you got value, just type value, value. And if you want more of this type of content, please just say more, and I'll do more of it. I have many apps. Don't mind me. When it comes to learning, I'm crazy with learning. I want to learn everything new. I love learning. I love knowledge. So I've been learning, and as I learn, I'll teach you. That's why this place is called Glomajos Business School. We are in a school here. We are here to learn. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, you're missing. Please ensure you subscribe to this channel, Glomajos Business School, so that you don't miss out on all the goodies I upload here. And if you've subscribed and you've not click the notification bell, please do that now so that YouTube notifies you each time I upload new videos. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Please keep sharing it. So many people want this knowledge. Don't keep it to yourself. Just share. Share it in all the WhatsApp group you belong to. Share it in your church's WhatsApp group. Share it in everywhere you are. And as you share, people learn, they will thank you. People will charge you for this, but I'm doing it for free because, yes, I love empowering people. I love teaching, and I love making people better. That is why I say, please, if this is your first time on my channel, do well to subscribe. If you came to my channel because of this AI video, then you can check out my other videos. I teach you how to produce different cleaning products, bar soap, liquid soap, name them. They are all here for free. So you can check out my other videos. And as you do that, you are blessed. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. God bless you.